What's up, y'all? DJDURL here for a quick little video. I know it's been a while, but bruh, been busy. But I did some video of Ava yesterday, just walking around and playing outside. I'm probably gonna break it down to like 3 or 4 different videos. The first one will be about Ava getting her hands dirty and learning about ants. Hope you enjoy yourself. Thanks for sticking around. Be nice to the ant.
No. Hey.
Ava, do not kill it. We're nice to bugs and animals, okay? You can look at it, but do not hurt it. Okay? God made them all. So you have to be nice to them, okay?
Okay.
You gonna look at it? You see it? It's right there.
This. I want to touch it.
Don't hurt it. Don't hurt it. You see it's walking?
This. Don't dip my hand. Don't climb this. Don't. Oh, but.
All right, now it's time to go inside so we can wash our hands, okay?
Ow.
Bust it out noggin. But wash your hands.
Yes, this.
It's dirty. All right, let's go inside, okay?
There's a bug right there.
There's bugs everywhere.
This.
Yeah, they live outside.
If I side.
Yes.
Look at that.
Dirty hands. Let's go wash them, okay? Let me see your hands. Ugh.
No, that. This
Let me see it. Ugh, hands dirty.
This not hands dirty. This one's clean.
That one's clean? You still were on the ground, so we gotta clean it, okay?
This.
Yes. Let's go wash our hands, all right?
Yes.
So since we saw the ants, now we're gonna learn about ants, okay?
That's amazing.
That's an ant farm.
Lots of
That's an
insects
ant
live by
farm?
themselves
Yes.
and have to find their food all on their own. But ants live with lots of other ants in groups called colonies. Look at them
Look at the ants.
They look busy.
Yes.
Queen. Every nest has just
Big
one queen.
ant.
Big
It's her
ant.
job to
That.
lay eggs,
Yes,
cover it up,
we saw the
and
ant
lay ants.
outside.
Yes, outside over there, the
All the other
house.
ants
Yes,
here
and that's what the other ants look like.
They
And
all have
See, they're nice,
different
aren't they?
jobs to do.
yes, they're nice over
Those
there.
white sausage-shaped things are going to hatch into
That's the
ants. And the
TV.
worker
Yes.
ants are looking after them.
Let's collecting.
The ants go marching when rising, the new one stops his sucking family.
Marching down.
There's more ants on the ground, Ava. There's ants right there. Down to the ground.
No, I've seen it.